call it North Korea's answer to Uber. This undercover video shows motorbike owners in Yangon province trying to make extra cash selling rides. The going fare is about 60 cents per passenger, and drivers try to pack in as many as they can. Sometimes, riders haggle for the better price. These three-wheeled vehicles imported from China are increasingly common on North Korea's roadways, and the new motorbike taxi business helps riders avoid the inefficient and overburdened state-run train and bus systems. It's also another sign of market forces at work in the Stalinist nation.